Hey guys, hello and welcome to my 22nd birthday vlog. So, this was 9th of July, day before my birthday. So, I went to buy some fruits. Why? Because this time I wanted to celebrate my birthday just for myself and also in a very special way and didn't want it to do much. So these all things were for people who are in a old age home. तो हमने फटफट सारा सामान खरीदा क्योंकि बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही थी. And later that same evening, my friend and my roommate Kanishka and Swesha took me to a mall. So this was Elpro जहाँ पर हम गए थे and this was very unplanned. हमें बिल्कुल भी कोई आइडिया नहीं था. Especially मुझे तो कोई भी आइडिया नहीं था that we are going to mall. हमने बहुत सारा खाना खाया. So this was चटोरे. From there we had this crazy चाट and I should recommend you कि आपको भी खाना चाहिए वहाँ से. And this was Elpro Mall. And from Wow Chinese से we also had this sizzler. And guys, meet Kanishka. She is my friend. So we had this बर्फ का गोला also and I tried it for the first time. और कनिष्का को तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. And this was one of the best day I spent. और हमने बहुत सारी मस्ती करी. Then we came back वापस PG. मैं कुछ इस अवतार में दिख रही हूँ. ठीक है, वो भी मुझे कपड़े चेंज करने नहीं दिए गए. So this was a very cute surprise which was planned by Kanishka, Swesha and Arpita and I'm really thankful for all three of you. उन्होंने इतना प्यारा सेटअप किया था and मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स सारे लोग इंक्लूडेड थे. And you know what, this was my second time celebrating my birthday away from my family and from my friends, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा disappointing है. And meet my मम्मी, तो वो आप सभी लोगों को हाय बोल रही हैं. This is what I have to do the first thing. मुझे अपने कपड़े धोने. Last year भी मैंने ये सेम चीज़ करी थी and this year also I'm gonna do same thing. सबसे पहले उठ के कपड़े धोना. And finally, I took time for myself. And at the end of the day, I just wanted to say that I'm thankful for all of it. The highs, the lows, the blessings, the lessons, the setbacks, the comebacks, the love, the hate, everything. And happy birthday to me. I am grateful for all the opportunities I have had to grow and develop this year. I am grateful for every door that was closed because it was not the right path for me. I am going to reflect on who I am and who I want to become. I will discover myself and that is for sure. Thank you so much. So after that it was time to clean the room और दीदी आ चुकी थी so we have to do it anyhow. तो हमने साफ सफाई करी and we were enjoying a lot and after that I took a shower and did a little bit of puja. After the puja, I got ready in this beautiful pink dress and I was feeling very much bohemian. And with that, we also had our breakfast. So for the breakfast, we had upma and dosa and with really amazing adrak wali chai. बिकॉज सावन सोमवार का पहला दिन है तो हम चाहते हैं कि 4 बजे खोल दिया. हाँ, हम बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो चुके हैं पर ठीक है. और अगर बर्थडे भी इसी दिन में पड़ा है तो क्यों नहीं जा सकते हैं. went went to रुक्मणी विट्ठल मंदिर which is in हिंजेवाड़ी phase 3 in पुणे. तो अगर आप कहीं पर भी पुणे में रहते हो, please visit over there. The scenery and everything is very very beautiful and this was my first time. As I told you that सावन सोमवार का पहला सोमवार था, so it actually made my day really pretty well. Then we came back to PG because हमें बहुत सारी preparation करनी थी. Already we were late for old age home, and before that I want to let you know guys that we were not allowed to take any sort of pictures, videos with them. So I'm really sorry क्योंकि मैंने कुछ भी upload नहीं करा है यहाँ पर. हाय बोलो फटफट करके.
मेरी शक्ल मत दिखा देना बिल्कुल.
क्या ऐसे तो मुंह बनाओ.
ये मेरी चॉइस है. ये भी मेरी चॉइस है.
How was the cake, sir?
Delicious.
Would you please elaborate?
Sorry, I'm so induced in eating that I cannot elaborate.
ये देखो भाई खत्म ही कर दिया पूरा का पूरा केक. दो शब्द आप मेरे बारे में बोलना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ये देखो कितना बुरा है. तो मेरे ब्लॉग में बेइज्जती क्यों करा रहे हो? फटफट बोलो जल्दी 2 वर्ड.
सुचिस्मिता तिवारी.
2 शब्द.
Coincidence, not planned. और ये मेरे दोस्त हैं.
Hi.
जो कभी कभार
जो पहले बहुत आपको दिखते पर अब बहुत कम आते हैं क्योंकि थोड़ा ज़्यादा बिजी हो गए हैं. वो बिजनेस है हमारी डॉक्टर की मैं पार्टी स्कूल की
6 महीने में एक बार आया.
हाँ 6 महीने में एक बार.
Bye.
वापस बोलो. थैंक यू सो मच स्वेशा इतने अच्छे साबुदाना के लिए.